So psyched for Invisible Force 2?
Please, Invisible Force 1 was lame. I'm all about rising tide.
The Deep? Translucent could kick the Deep's ass.
How? He's invisible. That's like all he's got. That's it.
슈퍼히어로들이 대중에게 추앙받으며 미디어에 적극 노출되는 세상.
Holy shit.
퀸 메이브는 도난당한 차량이 아이들을 치려는 것을 막아내고
Just stay the fuck back. What are you smiling at?
Homelander?
You boys okay?
홈랜더는 순식간에 강도들을 제압합니다.
Can I get a selfie?
Of course you can.
그들은 이 세계의 완벽한 영웅들입니다.
Hi, I'd like to make an appointment for you to come over and...
Oh, dear Robin.
어느 날 전자상점에서 평범하게 일하던 휴이.
So did you ask him?
Who?
Gary. Did you ask Gary?
Tomorrow, for sure. Yes.
Okay. This is like when we started dating. I'm killing myself at school because I think it's gonna be worth it for both of us. You know, if we move in together.
What'd you just say?
Well, I mean, we can't keep, laying pipe at your dad's place.
여자친구 로빈과 길가에서 행복한 시간을 보냅니다.
Don't you ever besmirch Billy.
그 순간 히어로 에이트레인이 초인적인 속도로 달려와 로빈을 들이받습니다.
I can't stop. I can't stop. I can't stop. I can't stop. I can't stop.
로빈은 형체도 없이 산산조각나 즉사합니다.
Robin? Robin!
로빈의 참혹한 죽음으로 외상 후 스트레스 장애를 겪게 된 휴이.
Thought Robin's service was nice. A lot of respect for that girl, a lot of love in the room.
My deepest condolences to Robin Ward's family. I was chasing these bank robbers. She just stepped in the middle of the street.
She was a half step off the fucking curb.
Now, come on, Huey, just don't get upset.
Everyone at Vought is just wrecked about Robin.
거대 기업 보우트는 형식적인 사과와 함께 합의금을 제시하지만
Offer you $45,000 in restitution. All you have to do is sign right here, and I'll offer you the check.
This is a confidentiality agreement.
It's a boilerplate NDA.
I signed this and I can't talk about it.
Look, I know you're upset, but we're just trying to help.
Get the hell out!
As I said, boilerplate NDA, really pretty standard stuff.
Can I think about it?
If you have any questions at all, just
휴이는 서명을 거부하고 에이트레인을 고발할 준비를 합니다.
What you doing?
Can't file a criminal case against A-Train. Sloops are like cops. They can't be charged for...
하지만 슈퍼히어로는 법적 보호를 받고 있었고
Come sit with me.
Dad, I'm right...
Okay. You want to make this right. What happened to Robin? But you can't. So sign this.
I can't... Dad, they killed her.
Be realistic, okay? Even if we could pay for a lawyer, and that's a big if, there's no case. She was in the street. Be like if a bus hit her.
Dad, she was one step off the curb.
Huey, look,
I saw
look.
it.
You can't do this.
No, Dad, I have...
You don't have the fight. You never have. I'm sorry, but it's true.
Huey, where are you going?
휴이의 아버지는 기업과 맞설 힘이 없다며 합의를 종용합니다. 절망에 빠진 휴이. 한편 슈퍼히어로를 꿈꾸던 스타라이트 애니.
I am Starlight. I'm 110 pounds and I'm 5'6".
Okay, go ahead.
I am so sorry. Are you all right? I was born super abled. At the Q&A, they always asked me what my wish was. And I always said to save the world. I mean, why would you get into this business if not to save the world? That's all I have ever wanted. And that's why I've always wanted to be in the 7.
Any maniacs out there?
Mm-mm. Quiet night. Don't worry, I didn't get the job.
You don't know that.
Besides, Countess probably got it. She's so good in a room.
If you're negative, negative things happen to you. Hello? Yes, I'm her mother. One moment.
Hello. Yes, this is she. I got it.
애니는 드디어 보우트의 면접을 통과합니다.
There she is! Welcome to New York! I'm Ashley Barrett, Director of Talent Relations.
So, are all these people here for me?
Who else would they be here for?
수많은 사람들의 환호를 받는 애니.
A good time to be in the superhero business.
세븐을 비롯한 히어로들을 관리하는 이곳은
A world without crime, with liberty and justice for all, thanks to the 200 plus superheroes in the Vought family,
슈퍼히어로 매니지먼트 기업 보우트.
including the jewel in Vaught's crown, the greatest superhero team the world's ever seen, the 7. I have a very exciting surprise for you. Both a member of the 7 and Lord of the 7 Seas, live and in person, the Deep!
Thank you, everybody. I'd like to introduce someone very special. Please welcome Starlight.
Go. That's you.
그리고 꿈에 그리던 최고 영웅팀 세븐의 일원이 된 애니.
We have 2 Worldview 4 satellites in geocentric orbit.
That is just... I mean...
Oh, and wait till you check out the dining room.
딥은 그녀에게 보우트 본사를 소개해주지만
That's his, isn't it?
Homelanders? Yeah.
I used to stand in the mirror, pretending to be where I am right now.
And hey, we're a team now. We'll help each other out. Bet growing up you had a poster of Homelander on your wall, huh?
You want to know the truth? I actually had a poster of you. I kind of had a schoolgirl crush on you. Oh my god.
기쁨도 잠시 딥이 그녀의 앞을 가로막습니다.
What? I mean, you said you had a crush on me. I figured that, you know, just a little bit of pole smoking. Whoa, 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 hey, wait. It's just a question of how bad you want to be in the 7.
Excuse me?
딥은 세븐에 남고 싶냐며 애니를 협박하고
Thing is, I am number 2 around here, so if I say so, you know, you'd be out of here. I mean, that could put you out of the business. I mean, home to mommy, tail tucked between your legs. All those kids that look up to you, it'd just be shattered. For like 3 minutes, maybe. It's not a big deal. And then you know what happens? All your dreams come true.
강제로 그녀를 추행합니다.
Oh, for Christ's sakes. Clean yourself up. Never let them see you like this. Translucent, you're a goddamn pervert.
어딘가 제정신이 아닌 듯한 히어로들. 그 무렵 절망에 빠진 휴이 앞에 부처라는 남자가 나타납니다.
Is there anything I can help you with today, or?
I'm not gonna piss you about, Huey. I heard what happened to Robin.
I'm sorry, who are you?
She wasn't in the street, she was one step off the fucking curb, and you didn't take the payoff.
Yeah, I said, who the hell are you? How do you know that?
Name's Butcher. Billy Butcher.
You're a Fed? You don't sound like a Fed.
What, I can't emigrate? Well, it's all right there in black and white.
Okay, what exactly can I do for you?
Hundreds of people each year to collateral damage.
No, come on, that'd be all over the news. People would be screaming bloody murder.
But the main reason that you won't hear about it is because the public don't want to know about it. But if you knew half the shit they get up to, that's where I come in.
Come in to To do what?
Spank the bastards when they get out of line.
자신을 히어로의 범죄를 쫓는 FBI라 소개하며 공조를 제안하는 부처.
I'm offering you the opportunity to get them that got your girl. What have you got to lose? You ain't already lost.
결국 휴이는 그를 따라 나섭니다.
Where are we? Keep your mouth shut.
부처를 따라 도착한 곳은
This is the only place where the soups can scratch that.
히어로들의 비밀 클럽.
Keep going forward.
부처는 비밀 클럽의 CCTV 영상을 휴이에게 보여줍니다.
Stop.
Wait. Adrian's here right now?
Was. This is from last night. Turn it up.
I cannot believe you ran through a bitch. Faster, this bitch that had swallowed one of her molars. Like a bug on the fucking freeway.
You're laughing.
영상 속 A트레이는 로빈의 사고를 조롱하며 비웃고 있었고
Yeah. Maybe shifty at that. That's the police log the day that Robin got murdered. No bank alarms going off. No one charged at central booking. A-Train stopped 2 bank robbers my ass. Someone's fucking hiding something. Why couldn't he stop? I mean, what was in that bag? You know, who was he running from?
Or where was he running to?
Work that out and we'll have the fucker. I can smell it.
그의 거짓말까지 확인한 휴이는 분노하며 공조를 결심합니다.
Ring Vaughn. Tell him you'll take the money, sign the NDA, but only if A-Train's there in person when you do it.
부처는 휴이에게 비밀 유지계약 서명을 핑계로
Let me just get this straight. You want me to go to Seven Tower by myself and you want me to plant a bug?
Yeah, exactly. You got it.
You're FBI. If you're FBI, then get a warrant. Why do you even need me?
I got a warrant, all right? But that place is firewalled, untappable, and locked up tighter than a nun's knickers. I couldn't get myself in there in a million years, but you, son, you could do it.
보우트 본사에 도청 장치를 심으라고 지시합니다.
So, how amazing is it? What's Homelander like?
한편 딥의 추행 이후 회의감에 빠진 애니.
Mom, I gotta tell you what happened.
Oh, I forgot. And Patty is going on and on about how her daughter got into med school, and I'm thinking, so what? Anyway, so what did you want to tell me?
기뻐하는 어머니를 보고 더 괴로워하던 중
Mom, actually, you know what? I have to go.
All right, bye, honey.
Excuse me. I'm sorry. Are you okay?
우연히 휴이를 만나게 됩니다.
Sorry, I don't mean to bother you.
No, it's okay.
Like a work thing or a life thing?
It's a work thing. You?
Life thing?
Like, I thought I was strong. And then I was faced with this horrible situation with this asshole. I just heard my mom's voice in my head, and I didn't fight. And now I just feel sick.
두 사람은 삶에 대해 진솔한 대화를 나눕니다.
Listen, do you like your job?
It's the only thing I've ever wanted.
Like you're not selling kids smack?
I could help a lot of people.
I used to know this girl, and she always used to say, just because you fall on your ass doesn't mean you have to stay there. So you fell on your ass, you know? That's not who you are. So who are you?
I'm a fighter. Yeah. I'm gonna take that son of a bitch's head clean off his body.
Okay, wow, that was...
휴이와의 대화로 힘을 얻은 애니.
I'm Huey, by the way.
Annie.
도망치는 대신 동료들에게 맞서기로 결심합니다.
Starlight, don't want to be late to your first official meeting.
Sorry, sir.
Beginning to wonder if you'd even show up. I mean, all that pressure, it's a lot for anyone to swallow.
Yeah, don't worry. I'll be fine. I'm here. And I'm not going anywhere.
이후 본격적으로 시작되는 부처와 휴이의 공조.
Now, there's fuck all security to worry about. In fact, they're a bunch of muppets. And what they'll probably do is take you through the security and then up into the board. They're real polite, like, tell them you got to take a fat shit. Go into the bog, take the bug out. Then go back into the boardroom, sit down, big smiles, plant the bug underneath the table. Easy peasy, Japanesey. Bob's your uncle. That's that.
촉짓게 강의를 듣고 보우트 본사에 들어섭니다.
Thank you. Can I use your bathroom
Just to be clear, A-Train's apology isn't an admission of any sort of culpability whatsoever.
Sorry about having your girlfriend, all right?
Fine. I appreciate the apology. After all, I mean, you were saving the world.
Okay, great. Thank you so much. As you know, a crime fighter's work is never done. Douglas here will handle the rest of the paperwork for you, okay? Thank you.
Can I use your bathroom?
화장실까지 손쉽게 들어서지만 투명 인간 히어로 트랜스루센트가 이를 지켜보고 있었습니다.
What the fuck?
우여곡절 끝에 도청 장치 설치에 성공한 휴이.
And that was awesome, man. Just getting to stare that asshole down. I get why you dig this job.
All I need you for right now.
Yeah, I mean, but I can...
You ever see an asshole tear up 45K?
You're a good lad.
Good night, Huey. You lock up?
Sorry, we're closing up.
그런데 잠시 후
Hello?
Who are you?
The fuck?
보우트에서부터 휴이를 쫓아온 트랜스루센트.
You think I wouldn't find this thing? Huey.
Pussy, I followed you from the fucking tower. No! Who's that guy you were with? In the car? You think I'm a fucking idiot? Why'd you plant the bug? We're the Seven. Earth's most mighty. Champions of the innocent.
위기의 순간
Sorry about the mess.
부처가 들이닥쳐 휴이를 구해냅니다.
Huey, run! That ain't the invisible cunt.
Boys and girls.
There you are.
So who are you? A fucking spy? You're gonna fucking tell me who the fuck are you?
두 사람의 협공 끝에 트랜스루센트를 전기로 지져 제압합니다.
Is he dead?
Boy, he ain't moving. Oh, shit. How'd you know the electric could do the job?
Skin's carbon. Highly conductive. Saw it on Jimmy Fallon.
Good job. Let's get him in the boot. Well, Huey, you just offed one of the Seven, mate.
Me? You hit him with a fucking car, and you're a federal officer, you know? Just call it the fucking FBI.
Yeah, okay, so look, technically I'm not a Fed.
What?
그 과정에서 부처는 자신이 FBI가 아님을 드러냅니다.
This is amazing, Madeline. Thank you for this. My kid is gonna lose his mind.
한편 보우트 부사장 메들리는 볼티모어 시장과 마주합니다.
All right. What are you thinking?
Baltimore is a beautiful town. Your homicide rates are up, what, 62%?
Cut to the chase, Madeline. Who are you proposing?
Nubian prince.
그녀는 소속 히어로인 누비아 왕자의 독점 계약을 제안합니다.
I am willing to give you a 3-year exclusive contract. I'm going to give you 9.5 points of the merchandising.
How much?
300 million a year.
200 million for Nubian Prince.
I'm sorry, Steve, I can't do it. We've got Atlanta waiting in the wings.
I happen to know about Compound V.
하지만 시장은 금액을 깎기 위해 컴파운드 V에 대한 소문을 언급하고
Now, I can make sure that that stays a rumor. Because I'm a friend.
I'm sorry, Steve, I don't know what you're talking about. 300 million is the price.
메들린을 역으로 압박합니다.
Miss Stillwell, I wasn't sure you'd call.
진실을 폭로하겠다는 압박 끝에
I'm willing to come down to 230 million for Nubian Prince. And Steve, this compound V, libelous and completely untrue, but we all know how rumors spread, so I'd appreciate your discretion.
결국 2억 3천만 달러로 거래가 성사됩니다. 거래는 원만하게 끝난 듯 보였지만
Don't worry about it, kiddo. It's just a little turbulence.
이 소식을 들은 세븐에리더 홈랜더가 직접 움직입니다. 그는 시장이 탄 비행기를 뒤쫓아 격추시켜버립니다.
So, you're not a Fed? You hear that? That's the old Bill. Oh, shit.
한편 트랜스루센트를 트렁크에 실은 채 현장을 빠져나가는 부처와 휴이.
Work for the feds. I work for loads of people. I'm what you might call an independent contractor.
부처는 자신이 FBI가 아닌 개인적으로 움직이는 업자임을 고백합니다. 그런데 그 순간
What is that?
That's a problem.
Oh, thank fuck he's alive.
죽은 줄 알았던 트랜스루센트가 살아있었고
No, Huey, you don't fucking get it.
Pull the car.
This over. Fuck's sight worse. He's seen our faces.
그를 이대로 살려두면 더 큰 보복이 닥칠 상황.
Oh my god.
You walk away now, and you will never get payback for robbing. You'll spend the rest of your life sitting on your ass in fucking regret. Now, is that what you want? I know a bloke. Top man.
결국 부처는 그를 처리할 방법을 찾기 위해
Morning, love. Frenchie about.
무기 밀매업자 프렌치를 찾아갑니다.
Frenchie! Oi, Frenchie!
Means you brought that 40,000 you owe me? I mean, why else would you show your face around here?
Because I've got something even better for you.
Who is he?
This guy? Oh, this here's Huey Campbell. We're gonna let him job together.
And he's still alive?
Look, do you want to know what the fucking job is or not? Open it.
Who is in there?
You dumb fucks are fucking dead.
그에게 트랜스루센트를 보여주는 부처.
That's translucent. You got translucent in your tongue, huh?
I think it's past you, mate.
Whoa! Go away. Get him out of here. All right, easy. He's cheap, Tom. The soups can be on the way.
프렌치는 위험한 일에 손을 떼려 하지만
You bring this to my doorstep? This is not my problem, huh?
Well, it is now. He knows what you look like.
결국 트랜스루센트 살인 공모에 가담하기로 합니다. 그들은 추적을 피하기 위해
That stuff really blocks the chip signal.
Yeah, it's just RF shielding foil. You can get it at Fry's.
You're in tech intelligence?
Sales and installation.
Where am I?
Oi, morning, sunshine.
전기 울타리가 쳐진 지하 우리에 트랜스루센트를 가둡니다.
Mind them bars, son. Only bollocks yourself again.
Okay, what do you guys want? Money?
We don't want your fucking money.
하지만 강력한 전기 충격조차 그를 잠시 기절시킬 뿐
What do you think, Frenchie?
He can reorder his carbon on his skin into metal material. As hard as diamonds, it's nearly impossible to penetrate. My knock him out doesn't seem to kill him, huh? No. We need to pierce the skin somehow.
죽이는 것은 불가능했습니다.
I thought we'd question him or something.
And if we let him go, what do you think the Seven will do to us?
I'm not a murderer.
That's all right. I am.
I regret to inform you that I've located the mayor's Gulf Stream. It's about 2 miles down at the bottom of Hudson Canyon. Though the jet was fragmented, there was one engine fully intact, and it appears to be engine failure. So I'd like to...
한편 딥을 통해 비행기 추락 사고의 범인을 알게 된 매들린.
Hey, did you hear about the mayor of Baltimore?
Yeah, heard his plane went down.
I saw him on Tuesday. I had a meeting with him right here.
Wow.
The Deep told me, and only me, that there were scorch marks on the mayor's engine.
Say what you mean to say.
Your brand is hope. You don't do vengeance.
Madeline, I heard him. Through the wall. He was blackmailing you.
I am the last person you need to save.
Yeah, but I did it for you.
I know. But did the timing occur to you?
홈랜더는 매들린을 돕기 위해 저지른 일이라 변명하지만
How did he even know about Compound V?
Are not going to talk about that.
Oh, come on, Madeline. You do not need to hide things from me. I love Vought as much as you do, and I can do more.
But what I need right now is I need you to charm the shit out of those congressmen.
Because that's all I'm good for, huh?
매들린은 능숙하게 홈랜더를 구슬립니다.
Are pure and they're perfect. And they need to stay that way.
잠시 후 딥을 따로 호출한 홈랜더.
Come on in.
분노의 화살을 딥에게 돌립니다.
Or is there anything I can do for you, Homelander?
Am I stupid, Deep?
No, you're not stupid.
Okay. So, what possible reason? And tell her what you thought you saw down there.
All right, look, I thought I was. I'm sorry. Okay, I'm sorry.
다시는 매들린에게 불필요한 보고를 하지 말라며 위협합니다.
And I trust we never have to have this conversation again.
Of course not. Just this once.
그의 압도적인 두려움에 굴복하는 딥. 같은 시각 트랜스루센트를 죽일 방법을 연구하는 프렌치.
Rounds coated in the same carbon metamaterial as his skin.
그는 트랜스루센트의 피부와 같은 재질로 특수 총알을 만드는 데 성공하지만 발사된 총알은 허무하게 튕겨나가 추적 방지용 천장 호일을 파괴해버립니다.
It's only a matter of time before they come for me. You're fucking dead!
그 틈에 보우트는 트랜스루센트의 위치를 추적하기 시작합니다.
We haven't been able to ping Translucent's trip until about 5 minutes ago.
Well, where is he?
Jersey City. He's somewhere in this 10-block area.
That is the best you can do?
It's possible the chip's glitching or there's some kind of interference.
Okay. Tell security to search the area door to door if necessary.
상황을 파악한 매들린은 보안팀을 현장으로 파견합니다.
Hi. How you settling in?
It's an adjustment, that's for sure.
This is Trevor from Crime Analytics. We are sending you on your first patrol to team up tomorrow night.
한편 첫 임무로 순찰을 나가게 된 애니.
Oh wow, what a surprise. A water crime.
하필 자신을 추행했던 딥과 한 팀이 되어 순찰에 나서게 됩니다.
What's your problem? With that pissy look on your face all night. Is this about the other night again? Cry me a fucking river, all right? I took my share of shit when I first got here. You had a crush on me, remember?
That gives you no right. Zero right to do what you did, you pathetic asshole.
See, I asked around. You're not number 2 around here. You're just the fish guy. Everyone thinks you're a joke. Me, most of all. I cannot believe I fell for your crap.
You ever
touch me again, I will burn your eyes out.
애니는 딥에게 다시는 자신을 건드리지 말라고 경고하며 나를 세웁니다.
We'll finish this later. You take him from the front. I'll come in from behind.
Hey.
Hey boys.
현장에서 밀수 조직을 소탕하지만
Hurry up, move faster. You're amazing. That was so great.
곧이어 보우트 기자들이 나타납니다.
Catch my dive in the water? Fucking cherry. Nice.
이 모든 작전이 보우트가 연출한 상황이었음을 알고 허탈함에 빠진 애니. 순찰을 마치고 돌아가던 중
No, please, please. No, stop. No.
골목에서 위기에 처한 여성을 발견합니다.
We're all friends here. Yeah, it's all good. It's fine.
Fucking bitch!
본능적으로 히어로 능력을 발휘해 범인들을 제압하는 애니.
What the fuck, Starlight?
What?
Oh shit. And so glad you did it in plain clothes so you could blow your secret identity. Here. OMG, I recognize Starlight. That's Annie January. I went to Hoover High with her. Hashtag, she was bulimic.
하지만 보우트의 관리자 바렛은 오히려 애니를 질책합니다.
They were about to rape a girl.
What girl? There's no girl in that video. You get a name?
No, she ran off.
Oh, great, she ran off. Great. Always get a fucking name, Starlight. Always.
Well, they said...
영상에는 범죄 증거 없이 애니가 남자들을 공격하는 모습만 찍혔으며
So all we really have is two Delta Betas who insist they were just getting drunk in an alley until you beat them unconscious.
Aren't I innocent until proven guilty?
When you're in the big leagues, you flip it.
이것이 기업 이미지에 악영향을 준다는 이유였습니다.
But you have to cancel everything, okay? You're gonna have meetings with risk assessment, with crisis management, with legal. Jerry's gonna lose his shit. Fuck.
Are they gonna fire me?
Just be in Stillwell's office at 10.
히어로의 영웅적 행동조차 언론을 위해 연출된다는 진실을 깨닫는 애니.
For just $9.99 a month. That is only 33
Hi, John.
cents.
Thanks for your support.
Give to Samaritans and grace today.
한편 모금 행사에서 메들린은 카룬 상원 의원과 마주합니다.
Miss Stillwell.
Senator, what can I get you?
Jack Rocks.
You know, we have Macallan 25.
Boy, they're blowing so much smoke up Maeve's ass. But you know it's just that, right? Smoke.
I'm sorry.
But tomorrow morning, no one's putting soups in the national defense. It won't get out of committee, much less hit the floor. You send a soup over the 38th parallel, Pyongyang's going to answer with a nuke.
Then one of my guys will catch it.
그녀는 슈퍼히어로를 국가 방위에 투입하자고 제안하지만
No one wants to outsource to you. America runs on weapons.
But you are the chairman. Where do you stand?
Me, I'm just an old leatherneck. And if I was on the line, scare the shit out of me to have Homelander there.
Are the most loyal, patriotic.
That's just it. They're your heroes, aren't they?
슈퍼히어로의 미군 투입은 없을 거라며 단칼에 거절합니다.
Why have average when you can have extraordinary?
Hey, Senator. You ready?
Darling, you know I like to watch.
Can't always be in control.
그날 밤 의장은 한 여성과 은밀한 시간을 보냅니다.
You ready?
Oh, I was born ready.
사실 그녀는 메들린이 심어놓은 형태 변한 히어로 도플갱어였고
I very much appreciate you coming bright and early. I realize how busy you were last night.
메들린은 촬영된 사진을 이용해 의장을 협박합니다.
Look, I was with a young woman, all right?
I should know. I was there.
You shiver when you orgasm, sir.
That will be all, doppelganger. Anyway, I would love to continue our conversation from last night.
It's not fatal to be homosexual these days.
It is in Oklahoma, sir, where your voters live.
Even if I get the bill out of committee, nobody's gonna vote for it on the floor. No one wants your fucking soups in the army.
그 시각 휴이는 갇혀있는 트랜스루센트에게 묻습니다.
I need to ask you some questions about A-Train.
What makes you think I know anything about it?
Well, I know you and A-Train were tight. You guys came up together.
What are you, a fucking fan?
Those two guys in there, they want to kill you, okay? So you give me something, maybe I can...
What? Hold them off? Because they hang on your every word. You're the big man around here.
Okay, you don't want to talk, don't talk.
Buddy, my superpower ain't invisibility.
하지만 트랜스루센트는 오히려 휴이의 심리를 교묘하게 파고듭니다.
Because you know me so well, right?
Yeah, I know you're trying your damnedest to be tough. It's a little adorable. But the truth is, you're terrifying. Shitting in your tidy whities because you're in over your head. Fucked. And you know it. I even kind of feel for you. Your girl died. And we do crazy shit when we got broken hearts, but now every instinct is screaming at you to head for the hills, and you should listen to that instinct.
로빈의 복수를 포기하게 만들려는 트랜스루센트.
I got invulnerable skin. I'm a fucking superhero guy. Homelander's gonna find me. And when he does, he's gonna burst you wide open. I'm gonna make it home in time for cocktails, because that's who you are and that's who I am. You're not the hero of this story.
Well, good luck. I tried.
Congrats on your promotion, Susan.
Jesus Christ, Butcher.
한편 부처는 CIA 부국장인 수잔을 찾아갑니다.
What are you doing here?
Just need a quick deco at some of your files.
My files were files.
Couple of soups. Big game shout out.
Why translucent?
No, nothing special, just ticking a few boxes.
그는 그녀에게 기밀 파일을 넘겨달라고 요청하지만
I'm trying to find a way to do the job on the cunt, and if it's anywhere, it will be in Mallory's files. Now, would you like me to keep talking?
No, Christ. Just don't fucking say another word. The Mallory files are dead and buried.
You're the deputy director of CIA operations. Dig 'em up.
No.
Why not?
Made it suicide to go after the soups. I mean, you have a death wish or you're a glutton for punishment?
서류들은 이미 깊숙이 은폐되어 있다며 단호히 거절하는 수잔.
Get out of my house.
Did I mention this is life or death?
I'll send an edible arrangement to your funeral.
Fucking diamond skin.
한편 프렌치는 다양한 방법을 시도하지만 트랜스루센트의 피부는 뚫지 못하고 있었죠. 우연히 TV에서 본 장면에서 영감을 얻은 프렌치.
What are you doing?
Shocking our invisible friend. I need him unconscious.
Now what the fuck do you want? What the? Someone doesn't feel right.
I've outdone myself.
트랜스루센트의 피부는 무적이지만
No, the problem is the skin, huh? It's hard like diamonds. But then I realized, but your insides, they're like the rest of ours.
내부 장기는 일반 사람과 같다는 사실을 깨닫습니다.
There's truly only one way.
What did you do to me?
He stuck a lump of plastic up your bum.
항문 안으로 폭발물을 삽입하는 방법을 찾아낸 프렌치.
You stick a little finger up there and try and fish it out. Bang. I trigger this. Also bang. 7.
I'll do anything.
내부로부터 터질 위기에 처하자 겁에 질린 트랜스루센트.
I don't know where Trey was going that night. He killed the girl, okay, but I know where he's coming from.
What? Where?
Pop Claus. He fucking loves you. He doesn't think anyone else knows, but I know a lot of things. That's all I know about that. I swear to Christ. But I'll tell you anything else you want.
결국 목숨을 구걸하기 시작합니다.
Ask anything.
We're out of time.
No. Please. Listen, I know shit.
같은 시각 직접 트랜스루센트의 위치를 찾아내기로 결심한 홈랜더.
Homelander. Well, welcome to Crime Analytics. Would you like a Red Bull?
Have you found Translucent yet?
No, but security's on it.
Is he in danger? Forget it. I'll find him myself. What's his last known position, please?
Why don't I just call Miss Stillwell?
No. You're talking to me.
Well, I'm not sure I'm supposed to be talking.
I'm the Homelander. And I can do whatever the fuck I want. Now, Translucent's last known position.
그의 위치를 알아낸 홈랜더는 직접 현장에 나타납니다.
Un moment, s'il vous plaît. Here.
What is that? Homelander.
That's Homelander? Homelander's here? Oh, shit. Oh, shit.
You pull the detonator, he will hear.
Homelander. We got to throw him off a scent. Pittsburgh.
Oh, you cannot be serious, huh? You know how much this will cost me?
Put on the tab.
홈랜더의 시선을 돌리기 위해 밖으로 나가는 부처와 프렌치.
Where is it? Back door panel.
Hello.
Chérie, it's a bear.
You're joking. No?
No joke, I'm afraid.
Fine. I'll be ready in 3.
Come on. Holy shit. He's the Homelander. I am talking to the Homelander.
Sir, I need to see some ID.
This is my place.
Sir, I need to see in the back of the van.
프렌치가 홈랜더의 시선을 끄는 사이 부처는 근처 건물을 폭파시켜 홈랜더를 유인하는 데 성공합니다. 그 시각 지하실의 경계가 느슨해진 틈을 타 전기 감옥의 배터리에 소변을 부어 합선을 일으키는 트랜스루센트.
Get the fuck back in that cage.
Just take it easy, okay?
탈출에 성공한 트랜스루센트와 홀로 남은 휴이가 대치합니다.
I'm not getting back in that cage, man. I am dead.
휴이는 폭발 스위치를 든 채 트랜스루센트를 위협합니다.
Look, you let me go. You'll be the hero that saved Translucent. It's not too late. You can still go home. Back to your life.
트랜스루센트는 세븐의 복수를 운운하며 휴이를 설득하려 합니다.
Attaboy.
잠시 망설이던 휴이. 결국 버튼을 누르고 트랜스루센트는 폭사합니다. 트랜스루센트의 피와 파편들을 씻어내는 휴이.
What are we gonna do with him?
We'll take care of it.
The tracking chip.
Already disabled. Sit down and relax, but Huey.
처음 저지른 살인의 흔적은 몸뿐만 아니라 마음에도 깊게 남았습니다.
Oi, where you think you're going?
I'm going home. I need clothes.
We'll get you clothes.
I want my clothes.
You are perhaps in a state of shock, mon ami.
Huey, you just ass-bombed America's sweetheart. You can't just piss off.
I need to go home.
All right. Frenchie will go with you.
Translucent ski need one burn, huh? Where are you gonna stash it? Homelander can't find it.
Nowhere.
흔적도 없이 시체를 치우는 것조차 어려운 일이었습니다. 한편 애니는 긴장한 채 매들린을 만나러 향합니다.
Come on in.
Miss Stillwell. Hello.
Please sit. Starlight, that video.
Miss Stillwell, please.
No, let me finish. She saw that video on YouTube and she came forward to thank you. She could not have been more effusive.
애니의 인기는 기대 이상으로 급상승한 상태.
That's good, right?
It is fantastic. You have a huge boost with men for the ass kicking, of course, but with women too.
I don't know what to say.
You just have to enjoy this. And it's so great for us because it is a partnership after all.
This is Seth and Evan from marketing. They have some brilliant ideas on how to capitalize on all the buzz.
매들린은 이 기회를 놓치지 않고 마케팅을 제안합니다.
And hello, Starlight.
그것은 다름 아닌 노출이 심한 새로운 슈트.
I can't wear that.
Why not? It's beautiful.
Seriously?
평소 지향하던 영웅의 모습과는 거리가 먼 파격적인 디자인의 새 슈트였습니다.
It's not me.
It's totally you. It's bold, it's brave, it's feminist.
How is that feminine?
당혹감을 감추지 못하는 애니.
Appreciate the effort. I really do, but I'm fine with my old outfit.
We're not.
Excuse me?
Starlight, like I said before, this is a partnership.
그녀는 단호하게 거부하지만
It's my body. I have the right to choose how much of it I show.
That is true. You do.
철저히 무시당합니다.
You just won't be doing it in the 7. Unless it is wrapped in that.
꿈꿔왔던 히어로의 삶을 시작도 하기 전에 위기에 처한 애니.
Just wait here, okay?
그 시각 휴이는 프렌치와 함께 집으로 돌아옵니다. 순간 억눌러왔던 슬픔과 분노가 한꺼번에 터져나옵니다. 로빈을 죽게 만든 세븐의 굿즈들을 사정없이 내던지며 한때는 동경의 대상이었던 영웅들은 증오의 대상이 되어버립니다. 그때 휴이를 걱정하며 아버지가 찾아옵니다.
Look at the you've.
Yeah,
this
yeah.
is-
Sorry about this. I've been meaning to clean up the soup stuff for a while now, so.
Were you going somewhere?
Yeah, for a while.
Wait, now, you're scaring me, Hugh. We've always been very open with each other, right? We've always told each other everything. Talk to me.
Stop it.
What do you mean, stop it?
Stop it. I have never told you everything. How much I fucking hate pizza rolls.
Now, you love pizza rolls.
When I was 7! I am not 7.
진짜 감정을 쏟아내며 아버지와 격렬한 언쟁을 벌입니다. 지옥 같은 집을 떠나기로 결심한 휴이.
My father was a bipolar. He tried to smother me with a Hello Kitty duvet.
한편 부처는 옛 동료 MM을 찾아갑니다.
Hell no. The fuck do you want?
What? I can't visit me old mate?
Look, if it's all the same, let's just cut the small talk. Why are you here?
How'd you like to come back, have another go?
I don't want to know nothing about nothing. I'm a happy man now. Life is good. Monique is back. We're good. Just.
Oh yeah, how is Monique?
Spits on the ground every time your name comes up.
그를 영입하려 했지만 단호하게 거절하자 결정적인 한 방을 던집니다.
Because we just dusted a soup.
Bullshit.
Translucent.
Well, come on, you lime-sucking smartass. How the hell did you do it?
Well, Big lump of C4, packed right up his fudger. Bring down Seven and Vought at the same time.
I mean, do Homelander. This is about Becca, isn't it? It's always about Becca with you.
You ain't got your reasons.
세븐과 보우트를 무너뜨릴 기회가 생겼다고 말하는 부처.
It'll be different this go, right? No, that secrets and lies bollocks and that Mallory shit ain't gonna happen this time, I swear to God.
Are you bringing Frenchie back? Because I can't work with that motherfucker.
Frenchie, no, I ain't seen him in years.
MM은 프렌치가 합류하지 않는다는 조건으로 제안을 받아들입니다.
Fuck.
Bang on time.
하지만 부처의 거짓말은 금세 탄로나고 맙니다.
Huey.
An agreement about it. We agreed to put a pin in it, all right? What agreement? Was no pin. I don't trust this French whore. All right, look, both of you, knock it on the head now.
여전히 서로 으르렁거리는 상황이지만
Who's this guy?
The new lad, Huey. Huey, Mother's Milk.
That's a nickname?
No, my mother actually named me Mother's Milk.
이들은 공동의 목표를 위해 움직이기 시작합니다.
That's Popclaw, right? Adrian's girlfriend?
타겟은 A-트레인의 여자친구 팝클로.
You think her and A-Train are,
Yeah, playing Bury the Bishop.
Didn't hear nothing about it. I'm usually up on these things.
According to Translucent, A-Train knows this bird inside out. All right, let's get the bug sorted and see for ourselves.
전자제품 매장 직원이라는 경력을 살린 휴이의 아이디어가 빛을 발합니다.
You know, we don't actually need to sneak in anything.
Hey?
Look, all I need is your IPv6 number, and every desktop, every smart TV in the house has a camera on it. They probably have one in every room.
Even in the toilet?
No, Frenchie, not in the toilet. Look, I just need 5 minutes inside. I mean, home service is my specialty. Hello, ma'am. We're with Bryman Audio Visual. We got the new router.
I didn't make an appointment.
Oh, well, your manager did. He's upgrading the whole building.
Work order right here, man.
Only takes a second.
Okay. Come on in.
직원으로 위장해 팝클로의 집에 잠입하는데 성공합니다.
The computer's right over here if you need it.
I have a confession. We're really big fans. I mean, Terminal Beauty 3? Damn.
Thanks. Yeah, that one really came together. Let me know if you guys need anything else.
You gonna high fuck that all day? Let's go.
What is it?
Nothing.
카메라 해킹에 성공하는 휴이.
This kid is full of surprises.
Thank you guys.
Thank you.
무사히 팝클로의 집을 나서려던 찰나
Ooh, excuse me, but
A-트레인과 정면으로 마주칩니다.
you want an autograph or something?
하지만 A-트레인은 휴이를 기억하지 못합니다.
Come on, man. Our meet is running out. Let's go. Let's get out of here. Excuse us, brother.
Yeah.
You trying to get us killed?
잠시 후 실시간으로 엿듣는 네 사람.
What's the problem?
Shockwave's a problem. What if I lose?
You're not gonna lose. You're the fastest man alive.
Until I'm not. You know what Stillwell told me? If I don't win, I'm out.
다가오는 경주를 앞두고 불안 증세를 보이는 A-트레인.
Compound V, where'd you put it?
Oh, you sure, babe?
결국 그는 자신의 한계를 넘기 위해 컴파운드 V에 손을 대려 합니다.
I'm under control. I'm good.
You ran through a girl, baby. It's not what I would call control.
팝클로는 지난번 약물에 취해 로빈을 산산조각 냈던 비극을 언급하며 만류합니다.
Honey, I'll still love you even if you lose.
How's that supposed to help me right now? I have to win this thing. I don't want to be some washed up B-squatter.
Like me?
No, not like that's.
두 사람의 논쟁은 점점 격해집니다.
I'll come back to see you tomorrow after the race.
What are you talking about?
Are you kidding me? I have been getting my hair done, threading my eyebrows, so that we could finally stand up there together tomorrow in front of the world as a couple. I mean, it was all cleared with Stillwell and everything.
팝클로는 자신들의 관계를 당당히 공개하고 싶어 했습니다.
You did clear it with Stillwell.
Look, our time is gonna come. I promise.
What the hell is Compound V?
Sounds like some kind of performance enhancer.
Yeah, well, whatever it was, he was juiced on it when he murdered Robin.
결국 컴파운드 V를 건네주는 팝클로.
This is exactly the kind of malfeasance that Langley is going to eat up with a spoonful.
Not until we're sure he does what we think he does.
If we get a bit, can you work it out?
Well, I can run some tests, of course.
부처는 컴파운드 부위를 회수하기로 합니다.
First of all, we gotta get some.
다음 날 경기장에 도착한 더 보이즈.
Here's your cover. You're a mild-mannered reporter.
의심을 피하기 위해 휴이는 기자로 변장하기로 합니다.
Talk about baptism of fire. I like you up here. So translucent, huh? How the fuck did you pull that off?
I don't know, just lucky, I guess.
Must have been scary.
You wanna know what's really messed up? Is,
그동안 억눌러왔던 심경을 고백하는 휴이.
felt kinda good.
It's written all over your face, Huey.
When I had the detonator in my hand, I felt like a rush, like I felt alive.
But that rush, Huey, it's no different than the shit A-Train shoots up. Everything comes with a price.
The last thing I ever said to Robin was, "Don't you ever besmirch."
MM은 휴이가 괴물이 되지 않도록 경고합니다.
The price? Whatever it is, I'll pay it.
프렌치는 탈의실에 잠입하기 시작합니다.
All right, champ. You got this? Hey, Mom is looking down on us both right now.
All right.
그 시각 원치 않는 새 슈트를 입고 경기장에 참석한 애니.
Aren't you cute?
Is it okay if I get a selfie?
Of course, honey. Take this.
It's your old uniform, but I'm saving it for the new one.
Show us your tits.
You do not need to press your luck right now, okay?
You know what? Save your money. I like that one much better.
Starlight.
I need a minute.
사인회 도중 팬들의 조롱 섞인 말을 듣게 되며 자괴감에 빠집니다.
All right, Frenchie, find it. You're in the clear.
Annie? Annie? Annie!
그때 애니가 돌아오면서 프렌치는 정체가 탄로날 위기에 처합니다.
You're Starlight. That's... How did I not realize that?
Well, Huey, it was really nice to see you, but I should get...
Can I, buy you an overpriced beer? You know, if you got time.
Throw in some overpriced nachos?
Lead the way.
휴이는 급히 애니의 주의를 돌리는 데 성공합니다. 프렌치는 필사적으로 뒤져보지만
No V. Must have hid it somewhere else.
Fucking find it, Frenchie.
Bad news. No V.
끝내 컴파운드 V를 찾아내지 못합니다.
I don't know if they really want you to be a hero.
When you were talking about how much you hated your job, you meant this job. Just walk away. I mean, you got nothing to prove.
휴이는 애니가 겪고 있는 고충을 진심으로 들어줍니다.
I should probably get back, you know, before they set a search party for me.
Listen, Annie, Starlight, what do you,
Annie,
I know you're you and everything, but if you ever just wanted to...
would you like my number?
Yeah, that's what I was asking.
Ladies and gentlemen, here comes Shockwave.
You all right? Huh? Yeah. I'm good. I'm fast, baby, like I'll roll, you know?
그 시각 A-트레인의 상태를 확인한 부처.
He must have shot up the V. We missed it, boys.
그리고 CCTV로 팝클로의 이상 행동을 확인한 MM.
I'm out of here. I'll check in later.
경기가 시작되고 A-트레인의 승리로 끝났지만
Pop Claw's eyeballing a vial of V like it's made of Snickers.
A-Train, how you celebrating tonight? Any special girl?
Well, you know me. I'm open to offers, though, lady.
인터뷰에서 자신은 싱글이며 연애 중이 아니라고 발표합니다. 이를 지켜보던 팝클로는 분노에 휩싸여 컴파운드 V를 자신의 몸에 직접 주입합니다. 결국 이성을 잃고 발광하기 시작하는 팝클로.
You see that red case over there? I've been around long enough to know a fixed kit when I see one. I figured if you wait around long enough, 2 + 2 equals nasty.
이를 실시간으로 지켜보는 더 보이즈. 약 기운이 최고조에 달했을 때
Hey, Poplar.
Mr. Lutz, house call?
집주인이 밀린 옷을 받기 위해 팝클로의 집을 찾아옵니다.
You can wait there if you want, but it's gonna take me a few minutes to write the check. I don't bite. Unless you want me to.
You want a drink, Alec, while you wait? You prefer Alec or Alexander?
Stop! In the name of the law!
고조된 흥분을 주체하지 못하고
Say it!
I can't breathe. All right, hold on. Hang about. Not so fast.
실수로 집주인의 머리를 으깨버리는 끔찍한 사고를 저지릅니다.
You let that guy die.
He was dead already. So you can cross the street, run up 4 flights of stairs in 10 seconds like some soup, can you? Now we got her right where we want her. Come on, Frenchie.
Like you said, whatever the price, you'll pay it.
이 모든 과정을 지켜보던 부처와 프렌치가 현장에 들이닥칩니다.
We're gonna help you sort out this little mess. And all you gotta do is tell us everything you know about this.
패닉에 빠진 팝클로에게 부처는 거부할 수 없는 제안을 던집니다.
All right, I got your message. Where's the fire?
You can show her.
한편 딥이 찾아오던 물건을 보여주는 홈랜더.
A fucking porpoise found this at the bottom of the harbor. Go ahead, don't be shy.
Is that translucent?
트랜스루센트의 처참한 유해가 담긴 상자였습니다.
Smart, actually. Hey, Deep. What can't I see through?
Zinc, Homelander.
Correct. And what's the box made of, Deep?
Zinc.
They also knew that we'd find translucent what's left of him eventually. They just declared war.
한편 CIA 부국장 수잔을 찾아간 부처.
How did you get in here? Security, please.
I can stop them getting soups in the military.
Personally, I can't wait until they're in Syria.
Last week, A-Train. Main line before the big race. There's Fuck Buddy, Popclaw, penning the same stuff. They call it Compound V. It's some kind of booster, a steroid for soups. Jacks them right up. No one's gonna want them in national defense.
부처는 사진과 함께 컴파운드 V의 존재를 알립니다.
This could be heroin. It could be anything. Speaking of which, I haven't seen translucent around anywhere. You wouldn't happen to know anything about that, would you?
Cunt's invisible. It could be standing in that fucking corner, plugging one out right now for all we know. You think soups are cunts now. You just wait till they're wearing camo.
You're really working this one, huh?
Just being an upstanding citizen, love.
Oh, I know. Okay. You get me some hard proof, something actionable that I can use. And maybe I'll throw you a few bucks for your operating costs.
하지만 수잔은 더 확실하고 물리적인 증거를 요구합니다.
But if you fuck me on this for the rest of your life, you'll be drinking your own piss at a black site.
Remind me, what was our deal?
Go to hell. I already told you A-Train runs the Compound V.
Yeah, runs the Compound V to the noodle shop up on Division.
Because every time he leaves with the V, he comes back with the sesame noodles. That's all I know.
그 시각 더보이즈 일행은 팝클로가 제보한 국수 가게 근처에서 잠복합니다.
Noodle guy. He's picking.
About time we see something.
곧 배달원으로 보이는 남자가 나타나고 미행을 시작합니다.
We gotta go in there, don't we?
Don't be scared, Petit.
Stop calling me that. I'm like 6 feet tall.
그를 미행해 아지트까지 잠입하는 데 성공합니다.
Let's hurry up. Let's go. those boxes. Frenchie, look for the V.
내부에는 정체 모를 동양인 여성이 철창 안에 갇혀 있었고
I think we should let her go.
No. We're here for the V and we get out. This isn't a rescue.
홀린 듯 철장 문을 여는 프렌치.
God damn it, Frenchie. What the...
그 순간 아지트 조직원들이 들이닥칩니다. 그녀는 순식간에 괴력을 발휘해 조직원들을 잔혹하게 몰살해버립니다.
Huey, let's go! Let's go, Huey! Come on!
What a mess.
잠시 후 부처가 돌아오고 현장을 조사합니다. MM은 동양인 여성이 컴파운드 부위를 주사했다는 사실을 알게 됩니다.
Come check this out. Take a look.
V. So A-Train's running it here, and these blokes are dosing the Asian bird with it.
Yeah, back when they had eyeballs.
Yeah, but why? Is it a Vought thing or like a side hustle?
Came gift wrapped in this.
Find out where it came from.
I'll shake a few trees.
Why the hell were they dosing her?
Why don't we ask Foie Gras over here? He's the one that let her out.
She looked innocent.
Innocent.
I had a feeling about her.
Nah, Frenchie. You just didn't follow the plan. You never follow the plan, man.
You need to unclench your ass all
Why
that.
are you two carrying on like a bunch of fucking twats?
그때 휴이는 애니로부터 연락을 받습니다.
Who's that then, eh?
Nobody.
Annie. Starlight?
Yeah, it's nothing. I mean, we were supposed to go on a date. Not a date, just...
Call about right now. You're fucking going.
As a rule, I don't usually go out after a gory massacre.
Listen, here's the job. You're gonna hotmic her phone. From now on, we hear everything she says.
Yeah, she's not a bad person.
부처는 휴이에게 도청 장치를 설치하라고 지시합니다.
All right, let's see what you got.
이후 휴이와 애니는 볼링장에서 데이트를 즐기며 즐거운 시간을 보내지만
You said you bowled before?
Yeah, I'm just a little rusty. You?
Yeah, here. Actually, my whole life.
마음 한구석에는 죄책감이 가시지 않습니다.
I'm gonna throw one. So what's translucent like?
슬쩍 트랜스루센트에 대해 묻는 휴이.
You said the other ones were dicks. Is he a dick too?
Well, I mean, he's not great with privacy or boundaries. I will say that. But otherwise, he seems like a loner. He spends most of his free time with his son. He's about 10. Hunter or Maverick or something like that.
누군가의 아버지를 죽였다는 사실에 휴이의 죄책감은 걷잡을 수 없이 커집니다.
Sean Jakowski, cross-country team. I had such a huge crush on him. And he finally asked me out to this party. Then all of a sudden, this senior shoved Sean, and then he hit him. So I stepped in. I kicked the guy's ass. Want to know how Sean thanked me?
No.
He never spoke to me again. Not one word. And that's when I learned, never show your strength to a boy you like.
그럼에도 두 사람은 대화를 나누며 서로에 대해 알아갑니다. 그때 휴이의 눈에 로빈의 환영이 보이기 시작합니다.
Save my spot. Be right back.
화장실에 가기 위해 애니가 자리를 비우자 기회를 틈타 도청 장치를 설치하는 데 성공합니다. 한편 아지트에 문제가 생겼다는 사실을 알아챈 A-트레인. 곧장 팝클로의 집으로 향합니다.
Hey, baby. Hey.
What'd you do?
What the hell are you talking about?
Who did you tell about Compound V?
Nobody. Why? What?
Because you're the only person who knew other than me that I had it, where I was taking it.
그는 팝클로를 몰아세우며 추궁합니다.
Don't yell at me.
Sit down. Look, I love you. You know I do.
I heard you're at the race. No girlfriend. Open to offers.
Come on, I have to say those things. You know this. They make me. I'm there for you, always. Tell me who you told. We're in trouble. We're in a lot of trouble.
I didn't tell anyone.
하지만 끝까지 말하지 않는 팝클럽.
Either way, you're gonna have to pack a bag, so get everything that you need.
Why? Where are we going?
But until I do, I gotta get you somewhere safe before Homelander finds out.
그는 그녀의 안전을 위해 일단 도시 밖으로 빼내기로 결정합니다.
Concentrate on health.
같은 시각 마취가스인 할로탄을 구한 프렌치.
Merci, Pumpkin. I must go. This girl, she's got a head start.
I miss you. Don't make me use that gas on you. Huh? Pumpkin?
Money, Patty, special deal.
뒤늦게 더보이즈 일행들이 현장에 도착하지만
Homicide. You got here fast? Yeah, it was on the squawker.
Nakita mo pa siya na umpa?
Siguro mga isang taon na.
It's a gang hit.
And who told you that, eh?
I'm not arguing with him.
I'm looking into it.
그곳에는 이미 A트레인이 먼저 도착해 상황을 살피고 있었습니다.
A-Train saw me a fucking week ago. What if he made me?
He didn't see you. Vought don't send a soup to do a gang hit, all right? He was after the female.
Hey, man, who was the woman?
Roberta Cho, mother of 4, loved Mexican food, and smuggled in a ton of immigrants from all over the Pacific.
That wanker can cover all of Manhattan in 30 minutes. He's gonna find her before we do.
No, he won't. I know where she's going. Penn Station. She's working her way backwards. She's trying to get home.
Yeah, that's great, man. Good looking out. Thanks.
MM은 컴파운드 V가 사마리아인의 포옹에서 왔다는 사실을 알아냅니다.
And the box containing the V came from Samaritan's Embrace.
What the fuck's that Jesus-thumping elastic bastard got to do with it?
When we find the girl, we find out.
All right, platforms. Ground floor, I'll take upstairs. Whoever pings her, get onto Frenchie and stick with her till we use the gas, all right?
흩어져서 추적하기로 하는 보이즈 일행들. 마침내 프렌치는 전자제품 매장에 숨어있던 여자를 찾아냅니다.
No, no. It's okay. He's gone. I'm not here to hurt you.
그녀를 설득하기 위해 자신의 이야기를 들려주는 프렌치.
Can I tell you a secret I never told anyone? When I was a boy, my father, he stole me from Maman. Kept me with him for years. Hotel after hotel. I tried to run away so many times. I jumped buses, trains. Anything to get back to Marseille. But every time he find me. So I know what it's like to want to go home. You see, I know your secret. Oh, you're not a bad person. Let me help you.
마음이 움직이려던 찰나. 갑자기 들려온 소음에 놀란 여자는 다시 도망쳐버립니다.
Frenchie, did you see her? Which way she go?
I don't know. Did you try to gas her?
No.
Why not?
It didn't seem right, huh?
You went off plan because it didn't seem
I'm
right.
sorry, okay?
보이즈 일행들은 도망치던 여자를 발견하지만 그 순간 A트레인이 나타납니다.
Let's go. No, Frenchie. Forget it, mate. She's fucked.
A-Train! Over here! Look, everybody! It's A-Train over here! Look, it's A-Train!
프렌치는 기지를 발휘해 그의 주의를 분산시킵니다. 그 틈을 타 여자를 포위하여 퇴로를 차단하는 보이즈 일행들.
No. Let me talk to her.
Frenchie,
대화를 시도해보는 프렌치.
Let me help you go home.
하지만 그대로 프렌치를 덮치자 부처가 할로탄을 이용해 여자를 기절시킵니다.
Okay, we are not going to be able to cover this up forever. Translucent does not show his face soon. People are going to start to notice.
한편 트랜스루센트의 죽음을 두고 고민이 많은 매들린.
Admit that one of our unkillable superheroes just got killed. Kiss that military bill goodbye.
Let's not overthink it. We just say he's on a classified mission. We can't say where in the interest of national security.
Simple, done, boom.
Hello?
그때 걸려온 한 통의 전화.
What?
여객기 하이제킹 사고가 매들린에게 전달되고
7 minutes ago, Transoceanic Flight 37 from Paris to Chicago was hijacked mid-air.
How many hijackers?
Looks like 3.
Did they scramble F-16s?
Yep, as we speak. But you can get there quicker.
Oh, middle of the Atlantic.
Yep.
No man's land.
If you bring those passengers back alive, not one congressman will have the balls to vote against our bill.
군대 진출을 위한 정치적 카드로 활용하려는 매들린.
This is our chance. More important than translucent.
퀸 메이브와 홈랜더가 이를 막기 위해 출동합니다.
Dad?
It's okay.
Everyone, it's all over. It's all safe. You're all gonna be fine.
현장에 도착해 테러리스트들을 제압해 상황을 정리하지만
You okay, sweetheart? Yeah? Good for you. Hey, let's get a round of applause for Queen Maeve.
Captain?
Stop! Stop!
Oh, easy, fella.
There you go. Just relax.
이때 조종장치까지 함께 썰어버리는 홈랜더.
ATC!
본의 아니게 사태를 악화시킨 홈랜더.
All right, everyone, remain calm. Stay in your seats. Everything's under control.
비행기는 제어불능 상태에 빠지고 추락하기 시작합니다.
You take everybody one by one, you fly them to the ground.
Come back 123 times? We're done here.
이미 추락을 막을 수 없으니 승객들을 포기하길 고집합니다.
Oh my god, you're leaving. He's leaving us!
I'm not.
Melinda, are you going to save us?
Oh, sweetheart, of course I'm gonna save you. You betcha.
It's okay. Come on, man. Okay, you two. Take off your masks.
So they can tell the world that we left the rest of them to fucking die? All of you, stay back! You stay the fuck back! I want to laser you, goddammit! Let's go!
Please stay! I'm sorry. Take us, please! Please don't leave us! Please!
Don't die with them!
I'm sorry. I'm so sorry.
불안해하는 승객들을 뒤로 한 채 결국 비행기를 빠져나와 추락하는 모습을 바라봅니다. 이후 추락 현장을 찾은 두 사람. 당연히 생존자는 단 한 명도 없었습니다.
Every passenger on board presumed dead. We have Homelander and Queen Maeve on the scene. Do you have a comment?
Said they didn't have to die. We arrived 3 minutes after the plane went down, because we're not in the chain of command.
홈랜더는 방송 카메라 앞에서 눈물을 흘리며 호소합니다.
But if they let us into the military, then this will never happen again. That is my solemn promise to you.
진실을 철저히 은폐한 채
Talk to them. They'll listen to the people. Together, we will make sure that this never happens to our great nation ever again.
모든 책임을 정부와 군의 느린 시스템 탓으로 돌리며 거짓 비난을 쏟아냅니다.
Whoever did this to us will hear from all of us.
그의 선동에 속아 압도적인 지지를 보내는 대중들. 한편 쿠바에 숨어 지내는 팝클로.
Hey, baby.
Jesus Christ. Where have you been? It's been days.
I think I have some good news. Stillwell. She's open to us going public.
매들린에게 두 사람의 관계를 드디어 허락받지만
But listen, for us to go public, you have to come clean with me. Like I have to know who you told about Compound B.
기쁨은 잠시뿐이었습니다.
Hey, come on. This is you and me. Ride or die, right?
결국 팝클로는 모든 사실을 털어놓고 맙니다.
I told these guys you were running the V down near the Noodle Palace. I'm so sorry, baby. I had to.
What do they have on?
I don't know their names, but there was this British guy, dark hair, real smug asshole, buzz cut French guy, big black guy with a goatee, and a skinny white kid. So sorry, baby.
I love you.
I love you too.
정보를 얻어내자 에이트레이는 팝클로를 살해합니다.
Well?
Heroin overdose.
팝클로의 죽음은 비밀을 유지하려는 홈랜더의 지시였던 것.
She told some guys about it.
No. I mean you. Come on, A-Train. You've been shooting it up for weeks. You really think I wouldn't notice?
I'm done, man. Nah, I'm fucking done.
Good. Yeah. But you did the right thing coming to me. And I'm proud of you.
Thanks, Homelander, for giving me the chance.
I love you. Family. I'll always be watching over you. Always.
이후 죄책감을 느끼던 에이트레이는 영상을 돌려보기 시작합니다.
You're a filthy pig who likes to eat ass.
팝클로의 외도 장면을 목격하지만
All right, easy. Easy, doesn't. We ain't here to hurt you.
곧이어 현장에 들이닥친 남자들을 발견합니다. 에이트레이는 이들이 살인 현장을 빌미로 팝클로를 협박한 사실을 알게 됩니다.
And at least a dozen aliases? Since when do you guys run down stuff alone?
Trevor.
Yeah? Shut up.
Till heaven is where they do not touch. All that you've been fighting for.
한편 보이즈 일행들은 컴파운드 V의 정보를 위해 기독교 행사에 참석합니다.
You know what? I'll let you go ahead. Go round table those teens. We'll catch up later?
Yeah, sure. Just have to hurry up, you know.
But I am going to ask you one question.
Two twats at every entrance armed to holy hell.
And God's watching from up above, right there.
Over there. Yeah. Security's tighter than a choir boy's asshole.
Well, how do I get to hold the whole world in my loving embrace? Because of the Lord. Because we were born with His power, because we believe.
$15,000 for an exclusive VIP experience with Ezekiel. Isn't that an easier, cheaper way for us to get to him?
Well, Starlight's one of the headliners,
Wait.
right? She'll get you in.
부처는 휴이에게 애니를 이용하라고 지시합니다.
What's the matter? You worried your fake soup girlfriend's gonna think you're using her?
Okay. Then what?
다음 타겟인 에제키엘을 만나라는 계획이었습니다.
This is from that club you took me to?
You remembered our first night together. I'm touched.
This kid needs to be trained up, Butcher.
Yeah. Yeah, what he said.
Huey, you've done a murder. Comparatively speaking, this will be a piece of cake.
When did that happen?
What are you talking about? It's always been there.
So don't be shy. You ask what's on your mind. Starlight is here for you.
반면 애니는 자신의 신념과 달리
Have you ever had a boyfriend?
Well, yeah. Yeah, I was with Drummer Boy for a while, for almost a year.
Did you have sex with him?
You know, I think everyone hopes that their first is the one.
학생들에게 순결을 강조해야 하는 상황에 놓입니다.
Yeah, I'm saving myself for my future husband.
Let the bed be undefiled, for God will judge the sexually immoral.
거짓말을 강요하는 압박에 깊은 거부감을 느끼는 애니.
Well, I'm pretty sure I wasn't supposed to lie to them, Mom.
You're Starlight of the Seven. Millions of kids are looking up to you now.
How am I supposed to live up to that?
Because that's the way God made you. You're a miracle. You're my miracle.
Hey. Hey, you two. How's it going?
Keep an eye on the lad, right?
You okay?
It's just, this place isn't what I remember.
Hey, can I ask you something? Is there any way you could hook me up with one of those Diamond Club passes?
다시 만난 애니에게 VIP 티켓을 부탁하는 휴이.
So what do you think? pull a few strings, you know? Hook me up with some tickets.
Yeah. Sure, of course.
흔쾌히 부탁을 들어주는 애니. 휴이는 마침내 클럽에 잠입하게 됩니다.
Huey. Right? You're Starlight's friend. He got you in here.
휴이는 처음으로 홈랜더와 대면하게 됩니다.
Must be a special guy.
No, I'm not. I just feel lucky to be here, really.
Ladies and gentlemen, I would like to welcome you one and all, and I would very much like to welcome Homelander. So, without further ado, if you would follow me.
드디어 행사가 시작되고
In the name of the Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit.
On this blessed day, you'll be reborn a Christian.
세례식을 거행하던 홈랜더는 휴이의 차례가 되자
Something wrong, Huey?
Yeah, sorry. Just, I'm afraid of water.
Don't panic. I got you. Then I baptize you in the name of the Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit.
그를 물속에 오랫동안 짓누릅니다. 이 과정에서 휴이의 휴대전화가 물에 젖어 망가져버리고
Excuse me, sir. May I speak with you just for a moment?
Sorry, son, I got a packed schedule.
Just hold on 1 second. Let me just show you something.
What's wrong?
You fucked me.
What?
Yeah, in a private soup club.
임기응변으로 잠자리를 가졌던 남자인 척하며 에제키엘을 협박합니다.
You played my butt like jazz. With poise and skill and...
You are a filthy liar. You are unclean.
I have a video. My friend puts the video online. Like that. You ship boxes labeled as polio vaccine, but they're not really polio vaccine, are they? They're Compound V.
Who the hell are you?
I want to know everything about them, okay? You tell me where they're going, and you tell me how many boxes you ship.
Now they will destroy me.
Who's they? Bot? Or they have video? Trends, #1 on Twitter. Tonight.
협박에 성공한 휴이.
Hello?
Yeah, it's me. Sorry, I had to borrow a phone. Thanks again. Samaritan's Brace.
Right?
All right, so what they do is they take boxes full of that stuff and they ship it to hospitals all across the country. And apparently the latest one is going to the NICU at Mercer Hospital.
전국의 병원으로 V를 보낸다는 정보를 알아냅니다. 부처와 MM은 휴이가 말한 병원 신생아실에 잠입합니다. 충격적인 광경을 목격하는 두 사람.
Compound V? Oh yeah, and lots of it.
Oh my God.
Jesus.
That's a fucking baby soup.
히어로가 타고나는 것이 아닌 V를 주입해 만들어졌다는 사실을 알게 됩니다.
Chosen boy got my ass. These cunts are made in a fucking lab. All right. Let's bugger off.
증거를 수집해 나가려던 찰나. 무장한 경비원들이 들이닥칩니다. 부처는 광선을 쏘는 아기를 방패처럼 들어 경비원들을 물살합니다.
You done good, lad.
그렇게 부처는 컴파운드 V 샘플을 챙겨 병원을 빠져나갑니다.
What are you doing here?
Skipping work now?
I'm taking Teddy to the pediatrician.
한편 기독교 행사 연설을 앞두고 메들린을 찾아간 홈랜더.
My speech.
Your speech?
Yes, my speech. It reads like corporate fucking mayonnaise. We're talking believe here. These are my people.
Every dove and Democrat in Congress is going to be watching you on CNN. You need to appear moderate.
No.
Humble.
No. There is an opportunity here.
홈랜더는 연설문이 마음에 들지 않아 짜증을 냅니다.
Don't forget, it was me that saved that Flight 37 thing.
Look, can I please just talk to you later? The speech is perfect. Trust me.
Trust you. Okay. That's what you always say. You say you want my input, but you don't.
Can we please just talk later?
Why, you gonna run off and play strong single mom?
We need boundaries.
하지만 무대에 오른 홈랜더는 대본을 무시하고
A terrible tragedy befell our nation this week.
Terrible. Let's not mince words about this. Some people, they want me to come out here and speak empty platitudes to you all. A little bit of corporate talk. Because I believe that what God wants me to do is get on over there, find the filthy bastards that masterminded this, whatever cave they're in, and introduce it to a little thing called God's judgment. Sounds like the American thing to do. Sounds like the right thing to do. I gotta wait for Congress to say it's okay. To protect the United States of America!
히어로가 미군에 들어가야 한다는 자극적인 연설로 대중을 선동해버립니다.
I know you're watching me, so why don't you just come on inside? Have I not been paying enough attention to you? It must be hard, feeling so alone. I'm sorry.
이후 자신의 관심이 부족했다며 사과하는 매들린.
Come here. You have to be good.
그를 아이처럼 다독이며 다시 자신의 통제 아래에 둡니다.
You're my good boy.
그 시각 연설을 준비 중인 애니.
Mom, I can't do this.
애니는 연설을 그만두고 싶다고 털어놓지만
I've waited 23 years for this.
This isn't about you.
Scrimp by selling houses. Took you to all the soup events. All my friends are going to be watching on TV.
하지만 그녀의 어머니 도나는 자신의 평판만 중요했죠.
Honored to be here tonight.
결국 억지로 무대에 오르게 된 애니.
Just please stop the music.
그녀는 참아왔던 분노를 터뜨립니다.
You want me to just suck it up and do this for you? You have no idea what you're really asking. You have no idea what I've been through. I believe in God. I love God so much, but it's just how goddamn certain everyone is around here. It also says that it's a sin to eat shrimp. What, if you're gay or if you're Gandhi, you're going to hell? I mean, and if you have sex before marriage, that's not immoral. That's human. What's immoral is the guy who shoved his dick in my face. Shit.
자신이 당했던 성폭행 사실까지 대중 앞에 폭로하는 애니.
Anyone who tells you they know the answers is lying. I don't know what the hell I'm doing. I'm done pretending, and I'm done taking any more shit.
Excuse me.
이후 휴이가 다가오자
That was a great speech.
I'm so glad. How was your quality time with Ezekiel? Any more VIP tickets I can get for you? Because I'm so here for you.
It's not like that.
자신을 에제키엘에게 접근하기 위한 도구로 이용한 그에게 차갑게 대합니다.
Or a goodie bag.
My girlfriend died. Happened not too long ago, and I came here looking for a way to get out of the shit that I'm in right now. And that wasn't fair to you, and I'm so sorry.
휴이는 최근 여자친구를 잃었다는 아픈 고백을 전했고
I mean, you're right. There's nobody knows. And that's the only fucking thing I've heard all day that makes any sense at all.
I'm so sorry.
No. I'm sorry.
애니는 그 슬픔에 공감하며 휴이를 따뜻하게 안아줍니다. 같은 시각 동양인 여성을 감시하던 프렌치.
Hello?
They're coming. They're on to you, babe. Black Noir was outside my apartment.
수사망이 거의 좁혀왔다는 걸 알게 되고
They're coming for me, mon gars. The soups. Whatever those bastards got planned for you, you don't deserve it, mon gars.
결박을 풀어주자 여자는 바로 달아납니다. 잠시 후 도망가던 프렌치는 블랙누아르와 마주칩니다. 그때 달아난 여자가 프렌치를 구하러 다시 돌아옵니다. 블랙 노을에 맞서 싸우지만 제압당하고 말았고
No.
심한 자상을 입고 쓰러졌지만 빠른 재생 능력으로 소생하는 여자.
No home anytime she goes away. And I know.
You are a miracle.
Has been shipping Compound V to 53 hospitals across the country since 1971 and gift wrapping it.
이후 소생한 여자와 함께 그동안 일에 대해 정리하는 보이즈 일행.
Gift wrapping it as polio vaccine.
So no hero was born. None of them. I mean,
even fucking Starlight.
초능력자는 타고나는 것이 아닌 인위적으로 만들어진다는 결론에 도달합니다.
What about Homelander?
Never had any public records and never will.
We got Vought for child endangerment, drug trafficking, and possibly the largest fraud in American fucking history.
Hi.
You know? Not if you're attached to that hand, no? She's not an infant. And she was injected in the basement of the hospital.
Yeah, well, your feral pixie dream girl ain't exactly dictating the fucking memoirs, is she, Frenchie?
Maybe that needs something, huh?
Yeah, maybe they're just fucking chicken scratches.
Let's find out.
You've been burned. It's not safe out there for you.
한편 자신이 태어난 집을 거짓 소개하는 홈랜더.
My grandfather built this place with his bare hands. He was an amazing man. That's me in the middle. Welcome to my bedroom.
하지만 침대 위에 놓인 담요를 보고 화를 내기 시작합니다.
I'm sorry. Why is that there?
Sorry?
Who put the fucking blanket on the bed?
Randy Setdeck.
Who's Randy Setdeck?
He's over there.
Randy, why? Fucking asshole. Amateur fuck.
That is gonna kill somebody when it lands in Boston. Look, I heard what happened. I am so sorry.
So what if I took you to a house you'd never seen before, full of photos of parents you never met, toys you never played with? How would that make you feel?
I wouldn't like that.
매들린에게 불쾌함을 쏟아내지만
It never should have been there, and Randy Setdeck has already been terminated.
사실 그 역시 실험실에서 길러진 존재였음이 드러납니다. 매들린은 화가 난 홈랜더를 능숙하게 달래고
We need to finish that tour to show how down to earth and ready to serve you are.
Every year, she would bake me a birthday cake in the shape of a baseball diamond.
결국 촬영을 마무리하도록 만듭니다.
Cut. Perfect. So great.
한편 휴이와 애니 사이가 심상치 않음을 느낀 부처.
The phone's been tits up for a week. You wouldn't know anything about that, would you?
But I can check.
All right. You're with me.
All right. You want something where we're going?
휴이를 데리고 슈퍼히어로 피해자 모임을 찾아갑니다.
Well, here we are.
There's this one hero who shall remain nameless, but has ice powers. Anyway, she took a liking to me. Needless to say, I fell for her.
What kind of knobber falls for a soup?
Anyway, we were, being intimate when accidentally turned into ice. Just for a second. It snapped off. The crazy thing is, I still miss her. That's the cost of a mortal like me for being with a god like her.
Imagine what one would do if she found out you'd been lying to her from the get-go.
You have something you'd like to share?
No. Apologies. Please do,
We don't make jokes or judgments here. Go ahead, Seth. Give him the stick.
You back off, or I'll shove this stick where your dick used to be. I bet you'd thank us, Soup, if they shat on your mum's best china.
하지만 그들이 초능력자를 원망하기보다 운명으로 받아들이는 모습에
Where's your fucking rage? Your self-respect? Just a bunch of scared fucking rabbits. Soups are all the same, every fucking one of them.
부처는 분노하며 자리를 박차고 나옵니다.
Sorry. What are we doing here?
이후 부처는 휴이에게 자신의 비밀을 털어놓습니다.
Homelander raped her. Not long after that, she came to sit right here. I know this because she got tagged in that security camera right there. She sat here for 3 hours, and then she just got up and walked away. That was 8 years ago. Nobody's seen her since.
자신의 아내 베카가 홈랜더에게 강당한 뒤 실종되었다는 충격적인 비밀.
I know what it's like to lose someone. You and me. We're in this together. We're Robin and Becca. You can't allow yourself to be distracted by another bird.
왜 이토록 슈퍼히어로에게 집착하는지 그 이유를 드러냅니다. 같은 시각
Would you like me to change it? She talked to me.
That's talking.
Or she communicated anyway.
프렌치는 말을 못하는 그녀의 과거를 알아내기 위해
What does she want? Why is she here? She could be the key to it all. That's what you think, huh? It's a surefire way to solve this puzzle once and for all.
Tell me.
Mesmer.
You want help from a soup.
He despises Vought. Hates them. Hates the other soup.
마음을 읽는 퇴물 히어로 메스머를 찾아가자고 MM을 설득합니다.
And I tell you why, my friend, because you cannot bear things out of order. And she's out of order.
I'm a big fan, man.
Thanks.
그렇게 두 사람은 팬 사인회 중이던 메스머를 찾아가 제안합니다.
You know what I'm a fan of? Your insider trading. I mean, Vought dropped you like a hot potato afterwards, which I think is some bullshit. But with the SEC
Who the
coming,
fuck are you?
why don't you take a peep and see?
How do you know about Cleo?
There are no secrets from me.
양육권을 잃은 딸과 만나게 해주는 조건으로 도움을 받기로 약속합니다.
She's waiting on you. Tina. Hey.
Hey, Cleo. Remember your old man?
Hi, Charles.
I'm gonna try and be in your life a little bit more. Would that be okay?
I guess.
Okay, Cleo. We gotta get back.
Bye.
Hey, I just want to know you don't hate me.
I don't really know you.
I can see her every month.
1 hour, supervised.
What do you want me to read?
잠시 후 메스머는 보이즈 일행을 집으로 데려갑니다.
So, she can't talk or won't talk?
That's what you're gonna tell us.
Anything in particular you want to know?
Everything there is to know.
It's okay. Have a seat. Gentle. Hmm? Yeah.
하지만 그녀는 공황 발작을 일으키며 메스머의 손목을 부러뜨립니다.
Get out! I'm going to the hospital.
Not till we get what we came for.
Fuck you! The session's over.
Sit down! I was a field medic. I can patch you up better than any of those oxy junkies in the ER, or I can break your other wrist. You decide.
MM은 메스머를 설득시키고 프렌치는 여성을 진정시킵니다.
Butcher. Butcher.
Where are you?
Shake Shack.
What'd you get?
Shack burger, cheese fries.
I got your phone linked to my Find Your Shithead Friends app. And where the fuck are you?
뒤늦게 찾아온 부처와 휴이.
Wow, Mesmer. Hello. Right then, let's get cracking.
There's a camp in a jungle. She's a soldier. There's a flag with a two-headed snake on it.
Two-headed snake? Like,
What does that mean?
It's the flag of the Shining Light Liberation Army. You're dating a terrorist.
She can be a terrorist.
yeah, well, you just fucking keep her under control.
Okay, so they smuggle in a top-shelf extremist recruit and pump her up with Compound V.
And then when she's good and ready, they cut her loose to wreak havoc.
보우트가 고의로 테러리스트들에게 컴파운드 V를 제공해 슈퍼빌런을 만들고 있었다는 점.
And the only way to fight it
Is with Sergeant fucking Homelander. Gotta let the cunts in the army now. Those fuckers are creating supervillains.
히어로의 군입대가 필수라는 인식을 심어 정부를 압박하려는 보우트의 수작이었습니다.
But that's not who she is. That's not what she wants.
And you know this because she bends your fucking ear off.
She saved my life. She's not bad. She just wants to go home.
She's a fucking soup, just like the rest. How many times do I have to fucking say it?
I know you understand me. Please. Please. Tell them who you are. Tell them what I see.
프렌치의 설득에 다시 시작되는 기억 찾기.
The drawings are palm trees in front of the moon. It's where she grew up. They killed her parents. They kidnapped her and her brother. Forced them to be soldiers.
어릴 적 테러 조직에 납치되어 강제로 군인이 된 사실이 밝혀집니다.
She just wants to go back and get her brother out of there. Her name's Kimiko.
메스머를 통해 밝혀진 그녀의 본명은 키미코.
All right, take it back to the safe house.
Where are you headed?
I'm gonna go see Raina. We got more than enough to get the feds on board now. You tell anyone what you saw or heard here today,
Your fingers will give us a little wave at your throat. Yeah?
부처는 메스머에게 이 일을 발설하지 말라며 차갑게 경고합니다.
Do you have the compound V?
그 길로 부처는 수잔을 찾아갑니다.
Proof that Vort's injecting babies right across the country, and something even more fucking diabolical.
Worse than dosing babies.
Let's just say with these cunts, there ain't no rock bottom.
Let's get it to the lab.
First things first, eh?
그는 정보를 넘기는 대가로 몇 가지 요구사항을 말합니다.
Exorbitant salary, same for your team. Office space in the Flatiron building, no less. Security clearance, indemnity clause, legal protection, a formal guarantee that Homelander will be prosecuted under the full extent of the law.
Any of that a problem?
Now I'm gonna pass it up the chain.
Now you and I both know that you can rubber stamp all of that.
I can give you everything you want on this list,
다른 조건은 수용하지만
except Homelander.
You know what he's done.
Thousands of people. If you push him too hard.
You're fucking scared.
I'm fucking terrified.
수천 명을 학살할지도 모른다는 공포 때문에 단호하게 거절합니다.
Butcher! Butcher!
결국 거래를 업고 나와
How'd it go with Raina?
Said she got cold feet.
Well, why? Did you tell her everything?
Yeah, I laid it all out. Too much of a risk. Fucking spineless cunt.
So we are really fucked up.
직접 보우트를 무너뜨리자고 장담합니다.
We don't need them. We got everyone and everything we need right here in this room. We'll take down Vought ourselves.
Has a heavenly body lost her luster?
Social media is still buzzing about her controversial speech.
What I want to know? Who's that dude that stuck his in her face?
한편 애니의 폭발적인 연설로 논란이 일자
No, I've been working with her. I've been fucking working with her. Who the fuck are you gonna get to replace me? I'd like to see what bitch that is.
I'm a little naive, and she doesn't know she's not supposed to wear Uggs. And then when she's active, she stabs you in the back, gets you kicked out of the house. At least I don't have to kiss your ass anymore.
Come in. Thank you for coming, Starlight.
You fired Ashley?
담당자인 베럿을 해고한 매들린.
And we wished her well. Dozens of people in this company spent hundreds of hours to create the thing that is you.
I never asked for that.
Then why don't you burn the sparkly outfit and become a cop? But nobody's famous alone. Show a little fucking gratitude and let us do our job.
I mean, I don't mean to be ungrateful, but
매들린은 애니를 압박하고 해고까지 고려하지만
Then I think we may need to reconsider your position in the Seven.
And I think that firing an employee after she reported sexual assault on live TV might tank your stock price.
Well, I hope we can count on your discretion.
애니는 물러서지 않습니다.
If anyone asks me who did it, I'm going to answer honestly.
I just don't know to whom you're referring.
Oh, I think you know.
보우트의 이미지에 치명타가 될 것이라며 당당하게 반박합니다. 잠시 후 우연히 메이블을 만난 애니.
You're really milking this thing for all it's worth.
Excuse me?
This empowerment act. As long as you're trending, right?
I know that you might not get this, but it's not an act.
Okay, yeah.
I read your autobiography so many times that I wore it out. I had to buy a second one. I wanted to live my life exactly like yours. Because you didn't just break all the bones in your right arm stopping that school bus from falling off of a bridge. But now, pretty sure that was just written by the marketing guys.
애니는 메이블을 공경한 만큼 더 크게 배신감을 느낍니다.
Oh, Miss Stillwell, hey.
그 사이 디백의 공개 사과 영상을 찍도록 강요하는 매들린.
I'm going to need you to make a public apology. And you're going to be taking a sabbatical from the Seven.
이후 시골 마을로 안식년을 보낸다는 명목하에 좌천시켜버립니다.
Everybody seems to want to know who she was referencing in that speech, and it is not going away. It's only a matter of time before she, or let's be honest, some of the other women speak up. So we need to get ahead of it.
Can't you just, handle it like you do?
This is the way we are handling things now.
I realize that my behavior has caused Starlight a great deal of pain, and I sincerely apologize for this. Though at the time I believed that our encounter was consensual, I now realize that
그날 밤 주유소에서 기름을 넣던 딥.
I realize that my behavior has caused Starlight a great
분노한 팬이 던진 돌에 차유리창이 깨지는 수모를 당합니다. 한편 데이트를 하며 가까워지는 휴이와 애니.
There's this beach in the Bahamas where the sand is pink.
What's it called?
Pink sands. Let's just go.
Yeah, no, I can
Learn how to play the steel drum. You can get cornrows.
두 사람은 서로의 진심을 확인하며 첫 키스를 나눕니다. 그때 갑자기 나타난 부처.
Oh, I apologize. I didn't mean to interrupt.
Hi, I'm Annie.
Billy, old mate of Huey's. You're that new girl in the Seven, aren't you?
Guilty.
Wow. It's a pleasure to meet you. You know, if I'm perfectly honest, Translucent's always been my favorite. What's he up to?
I think he's on a mission.
He's been gone a long time now, hasn't he? I do hope he's all right.
You know what? I'm gonna go get us a picture. Be right back.
Well, well, well.
That wasn't
I thought we had an understanding.
It's not.
Not what it looks like. You got your tongue halfway down the opposition's throat.
She's a good person. Okay? I mean, she could help us.
애니는 다른 멤버들과는 다르다며 우리를 도와줄 수도 있다고 설득하지만
And what do you think she's gonna do when she finds out you murdered Translucent?
트랜스루센트를 죽인 사실을 알게 되어도 좋아하겠냐며 경고를 날립니다.
Give him a best.
Where'd your friend go?
한편 메스모는 딸이 자신을 만나기 싫어한다는 진심을 읽고
It's Mesmer. You met me earlier. Cleo didn't really want to see me today. She was just being polite. Look after her. I'm sorry, the elevator was out.
보우트에 복귀하기 위해 홈랜더를 만나 거래를 제안합니다.
A-Train said that you have some information.
He said you were looking for a French guy and a black guy, a skinny white guy, British guy, shitty little $85 camera I put in my doorbell casing. I know there's no reward, but I was hoping you could put in a word for me at VOT. Low 5 figures would be fine. I just want to be one of the good guys again.
하지만 홈랜더는 아무런 대답도 하지 않은 채 자리를 떠납니다.
It's my phone.